Hi, and welcome back to Lisa's Stamp Studio. Today is week 7 in my craft room tour, and today we're talking about storage for your ink pads, re-inkers, markers, and your alcohol-based Stampin Blends markers. If you've missed any of the other 6 videos in this series, I'm going to go ahead and link them down in the video description below, making it easy for you to navigate. While you're there, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would sure love to have you follow me as I share more inspiration on this craft room tour as well as paper crafting projects. And now I'm excited to share with you today's organization and storage solution. This storage solution for my ink pads, refills, and markers comes from Stampin' Storage. Now I'm going to preface right away that it's not the least expensive option on the market, but it is by far the sturdiest. You're going to see here that there are individual storage compartments for each of the ink pads, as well as the coordinating ink refill and the coordinating marker. The unit does come unfinished in a natural wood. I went ahead and used Old English in the medium color and just created a stain finish on it so it was a little bit darker. They can be painted as well. This unit will hold 60 ink pads, refills, and markers. I didn't have quite that many since I don't keep the retired Stampin' Up colors, but I absolutely love that I was able to fit in my craft ink pad and the refill, as well as my Memento, my Stays On ink, and my Versamark, as well as those ink refills. You can see there's still space available. Stampin' Storage makes this unit in various sizes so that you can choose the one that's appropriate for you. Stampin' Up just came out with a storage solution all their own, and I'll go ahead and place a picture of that here on the screen. It is incredibly affordable. In addition to that, it's modular, which means you're able to create your own custom configuration for the space that you have. The one thing about the Stampin' Storage unit that I absolutely love is you can see that it's not very deep, which makes it really conducive on top of a table or a small storage area. Next, I wanted to share with you the storage for the Stampin' Blends. Again, this comes from Stampin' Storage. This storage solution will hold 45 of the Stampin' Blends alcohol-based markers. Just like before, I went ahead and I used the Old English to stain it, just to give it a little bit darker appearance. It does come natural. And as I pointed out before, you're going to see that the depth is very shallow, which means it's going to fit very well on shelves or desktops. The great thing about these two units is they can be stacked since the depth is exactly the same. Storage by Stampin' Up also has a configuration for you to be able to store other items besides markers, and I'll go ahead and place those here on the screen as well. That's all part of the custom configuration of that product. Don't forget to come back next week for video number 8 in this craft room tour series. I'm going to share with you some great storage ideas for all of those embellishments. If you have enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. It makes YouTube and I both very happy. And I look forward to seeing you back next time. Have a great day.